Is that Luka Doncic? Holy.
Breakfast.
Something like that. Good distribution, Jim.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Yeah, fucking.
Cheers, fellas.
Cheers, guys.
Water. Oh, you slamming it? Best breakfast ever.
You still getting a sandwich from here?
I'll probably get a sandwich.
Slope's already open. I gotta go. I call him my name.
I don't hear him.
What?
I don't hear
You
him.
gotta dip the donut in the.
Stop it. Maybe you'll get a blueberry taste. Dude, nice, man.
Okay, I'm ready. Hurry up, guys.
I'm good, bro.
Yeah, so I got my stuff.
Hurry!
The fucking. You good? Oh no. You put too much weight. You put too much weight on your toes. Too much weight on your toes, James. So when you feel it, do that. Try to like just find the like, not like don't automatically put so much weight on your heel because then you're catching the edge that way. It's like you gradually like you'll feel it like as it like, because you can feel it before it comes. It's catching the edge. Okay. Jimmy, James, and Zach at the saloon for some lunch.
I'm gonna I supposed to eat this?
You dip it in there, bro. Or like just scoop it out.
Doesn't seem like a very good.
You only got that many wings? Just a little bit, no? Got it? Bro, that is no joke.
You're like sitting way in front of us. I was like, wait, what? Where's James?
No, sir. Too easy.
I have the camera now.
Uh-oh.
Play Memphis, Kansas Breeze. Y'all were here when I did that with the drink that we all got, and they did a really bad job with it. It felt so shitty. Because it was a,
The Caprina or whatever, right?
yeah, Caprina.
Yeah. This is Jimmy's house. Jimmy doesn't have his food yet. So we just left the Cuban spot. We played Russian roulette. No, not Russian roulette. Credit card roulette. And I got stuck with the fucking $200 bill. So that sucks, but it's all good. Now we're gonna go to a bar that Zach told us about, so we can try some gross tequila or gross liquor. So.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal.